Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're down in Plano, Texas, and we're going to be doing a modest living room upgrade and so a couple other things here. All right, so we're in our living room here. The customer's got an old Panasonic Plasma, finally ready to upgrade. There's a 58-inch, excuse me. We're going to be upgrading that with the LG G5 77-inch TV. So LG's flagship plasma, flagship OLED. This is going to be a really nice upgrade here. I've got old Klipsch Synergy speakers. We're going to be upgrading these with the RP600M bookshelves and the RP500C. They've got an old Pioneer receiver. Everything is just vintage. We're going to be upgrading, I say vintage, but of a certain vintage. It's an older models of the time, and so we're going to be upgrading that with the Integra DRX-5.4. We're going to be doing a Kaleidescape Strato M and a Control4 core light in here with the SR260. We're also going to be upgrading their old in-ceiling speakers with the Pro 180 RPC, the Reference Premiere in-ceiling speakers, which match the RP600Ms. In the kitchen here, we're doing a couple of additional things. Customer wants to move the larger in-ceiling speakers from the living room into the kitchen. That's going to replace these smaller ones. We've already taken it down. They had a small TV. We're going to be replacing this TV here with a little bit larger TV, and we're going to be using a AV Pro eARC kit to send audio from here into their closet over here. At the top of their closet, they've got their Sonos amps. So customer had old camera system and stuff here. So that's what all those wires were existing there. So we're going to be putting another Sonos amp in here and likely moving the router into this closet as well so that everything's centralized. Ultimately, this closet is we're going to move everything over here at some point, and everything's going to be centralized into a rack. All right, so we've got the all-new Strato M player from Kaleidescape. It's been out for a little bit at this point, but we still keep calling it new. So you can see patching a lot smaller, still very well packaged from Kaleidescape, but this is very small. You can see just compared to the size of my hand here. Let's set it out. But size of my hand, it's very compact. People use these, if they travel a lot, have an RV or boats, you can get these, load up your movies, and take it with you. If you travel, you just want to have your TV shows, or you don't want to connect to public Wi-Fi or anything like that, you can just plug it right in, download your movies on here, plug it right in, and take it with you to go. If you're interested in anything like this, we can, at Pure Media Systems, just ship them right to you. It's very easy to set up and get activated on your account. Really, really cool option. Also inside the box, we get the foam out of the way. We have our setup instructions. Bottom, we have Ethernet cable, THX, HDMI cable, remote, and power supply. Okay, so we're just buttoning up here, but up in the top of their closet, we've got the Sonos amps, all labeled. We have the AV Pro, the eARC kit. So that runs over here to a Roku TV that we installed. Just something simple. We ran new Ethernet cable from here to the closet. We removed the 8-inch in-ceiling speakers from the TV room, and we upgraded them and put them in here where they had 6.5-inch. So we put the 8-inch in here. The Roku TV, these are just great little TVs for this type of application. They get used very infrequently, but you can come here and the audio automatically comes out of the speakers in the ceiling, which is perfect when they want to cook or do whatever else. In here, we have installed new Pro 180 RPC. Customer had their old existing subwoofer, which we'll upgrade in the next phase as well and do some more stuff. But we have the new 77-inch G5, the RP600 Mark II, and the RP500C Mark II. In the cabinet here, we have the Integra DRX 5.4 with the AC Infinity T8, I believe. The Sonos Port. We have the Kaleidescape Strato M, which is an awesome way to get into the Kaleidescape ecosystem. This gives technically 2K quality instead of the 4K, but it uses the same file, so you get the full chroma spectrum, full lossless audio and everything, just downscales to 2K on the output. But it is still better than 4K streaming, believe it or not. So we've got their all-new Apple TV 4K and their existing Blu-ray player they had. We have the Control4 Core Lite with the Arachnus switch. We ran new Ethernet here as well. They had regular old Cat 5 with a 10100 switch, which we upgraded, is now going to the closet. We'll grab the SR260 remote that we have here. So if you hit watch, you have your options to select, go up and down, do whatever you want to do. We're going to select Apple TV. Yes, TV is a little on the higher side, but the way that the couch is in here, it is exactly where the customer, and how they sit down, it's exactly where the customer wanted it, above the speakers, because they're in pretty reclined state when they are sitting down. So we can come here, come into the Apple TV, and this controls the Apple TV, however you want to do it. We've even programmed some custom buttons here. So, you know, your star button here makes the icon wiggle. You can go to Edit Home Screen and makes the icon wiggle so you can move it around. We also have programmed we can program these buttons to do any number of things, but we programmed this button here to pull up the console on the top right so that they can select. It's kind of hard to see with the new OS here, but we can come here and select to change out to connect to their AirPods or whatever they want to do for this. So now if you want to go to the Kaleidescape, just come here, change over to Kaleidescape. And now one of the other cool things is a customer has Sonos through the whole house. We've got this integrated with Control4, where they use the Control4 app actually to control everything. Customer prefers that well over the Sonos app to be able to group everything and set up for their music. It's really nice how Control4 talks to Sonos, and that's actually how they are able to have a much better experience with the integration in this room. So the Sonos Port, while Integra does have certified works with Sonos, it's still kind of limited and a little clunky with how it works. But when it's in Control4, it is just like another Sonos zone, and it makes everything in sync and talk to each other, and it's really cool. So, you know, they can come here and go through all of their movies here. So they've got Watch Predator Badlands and Top Gun Maverick. And this is what they've already started watching. But now they don't have a Terra server. They just have the Strato M, which holds about 6 movies, 4 to 6 movies, and 4K movies, I should say. We can always add in a Terra server if we'd like to add some storage. But it does give you the ability to add and play all these movies, and they get it all in their full lossless experience. So now if you want to go to the Blu-ray, select from here, go to Blu-ray, and it'll automatically turn everything on here. And now they can watch your Blu-ray. When you want to turn off at the end of the day, you just come here and hit room off. That's it. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in a system like this, please don't hesitate to reach out at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thanks, guys.